Today, I'm going to share the unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Nova Flip, a small folding phone that was just launched. It has a fast refresh rate LTPO OLED display, a super portrait camera setup, and a compact design. Plus, it supports fast charging and offers many other cool features. Let's dive in and see what this phone has to offer. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the Huawei Nova Flip in white. After removing the plastic wrap, the first thing you see is the phone itself. Inside the box, you get a quick user guide, a SIM ejector tool, and a 500 yuan benefit card in China. There's also a protective case made of hard plastic. The case is smooth with no texture. You also get a 66-watt power adapter with dual ports, but you can only use one port at a time. Lastly, there's a Type-C to Type-A data cable included. On top of the phone, you'll find instructions that say there's a film on the screen and you shouldn't remove it, or else the warranty will be void. The screen looks really good, but when you change the phone's angle under light, you might notice a crease. However, the crease isn't too visible. I haven't folded the phone yet. The back of the phone is green, which looks quite funky. There are also other color options like pink, white, and black. The back of the phone has a matte texture. At the top, there's a rectangular camera module that includes a secondary screen, 2 camera lenses, and a dual-color temperature LED flash. This rectangular module takes up about 1/3 of the phone's back. You'll also find the Huawei branding and the Nova logo on the back. The phone's frame is made of metal and has a glossy finish. On the right side, there are volume buttons and a power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. At the top, there's a secondary microphone. On the bottom, you'll find the speaker grill, Type-C port, primary microphone, and a dual SIM tray. The phone weighs about 201 grams and has a thickness of 6.9 millimeters when unfolded. The display is a large 6.94-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 1136 by 2690 pixels. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate and uses LTPO technology, allowing the refresh rate to vary from 1 to 120 Hz, which helps reduce power consumption. The outer display is small but has many features. You can access camera apps, weather, payment apps, and by swiping down, you'll see the control center with options for network, brightness, sound, and more. Swiping right quickly opens the camera interface, and another swipe shows the weather. You can also add various cards to this screen. During calls, you can set different patterns on the outer screen, so an eye-catching design will show while you're on a call. The display effects look great, and the animations are very smooth. If you're on a call, people around you will definitely notice. You can also play mini-games on this screen, and there's a cute pet dynamic theme available. The phone has many AI functions, which we'll explore in more detail in a full review video. As for the camera, it has a dual setup with a 50-megapixel main camera that features laser autofocus and optical image stabilization, OIS, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The main screen has a 32-megapixel selfie camera, and there are plenty of features for taking portrait photos. The phone also includes the DaVinci Portrait Engine 2.0. You can even take selfies using the rear camera, thanks to the tiny outer screen, which has many useful benefits. We'll dive deeper into the camera in our detailed review, so make sure to subscribe and join our tech team to catch the full review first. The Huawei Nova Flip comes with a 4400 mAh battery, and it includes a 66-watt charger that can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in just 40 minutes. In terms of price, the Huawei Nova Flip starts at 5,288 yuan in China, which is around 582 pounds in the UK. So friends, let me know in the comments what you think of the Huawei Nova Flip's design. So, what do you think about the Huawei Nova Flip? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling. See you in the next video.